Alright, I thought I'd record this real quick. This is the UMI K-member and tubular lower A-arms for an LS swap 3rd gen Camaro with lowering springs and the Koni shocks and struts, but they are lowering springs. I used a spring compressor, but I only had the ones that go on the outside. I didn't have the center ones. And then so I compressed them, wrapped a wire around it, which is probably not very safe, so this is just how I'm doing it. I don't recommend doing this, but I lined up in the bottom over there the bump stop, you know, down there at the bottom, if you can see it. I stuck it up in the top first. There is a I got the UMI Suspension polyurethane piece that goes up in there, the flat washer. I don't even know what the heck it's called. Bushing. There we go. So I pushed the spring up in there, pushed it back up against there. I've got my jack on the bottom. Got a little piece of block of wood. So when I jack this up, it looks like it's kind of going to wedge itself. Nope, I lied. Alright, well, there's how luck can happen sometimes, and I guess that's how it goes. But so I just readjusted my jack a little bit so I could get to it. And I jacked it up a little bit faster to like one whole pump, and it seems like maybe it's stuck in there now where it's not going to pop back out, but I am going to jack it up a little bit more just to make sure. I already did the other side, so it was a little rougher because every time you do something for the first time, it doesn't go as smooth as you'd like. I still got to cut the wires, but it's up in there. It isn't quite clocked right. Not sure if it'll move once it's like not even a 1/4 inch, but that's kind of what that'll look like. Yeah, I got the factory spindles, I know, and I just have replacement power stop drilled slotted rotors and pads. I'll show that later. And then strut tower, or not strut tower, caster camber plates. Strut tower's up there. Got that locked down. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions about this build, or if you have how I've done it, ideas or thoughts. I'm going to work on doing the rest of this. Thank you for watching.